Hi, welcome to Electrically Constructed. This channel was created to help electricians better understand code calculations and how to apply them to real-world electrical installations. I have personally noticed a lot of very skilled and intelligent electricians that have great mechanical skills but don't understand the rules behind the installation. I wanted to create a channel to help new electricians and people that have been working in the trade for a while but never got into an apprenticeship program or a formal education in the electrical industry. I want to keep these videos short, easy to follow, and organized in a library so that people can come, watch them, and learn at their own pace. I will be applying real-world examples, and we will even be getting into blueprint reading and how to lay out blueprints using the code calculations that we learn on this channel. So please follow along and subscribe, and I really hope you get something out of this. God bless.